In case you didn't know, you can't watch my age-restricted videos unless you're signed into YouTube. Fantastic cutie here in 1948 Tucker. Notice the 6 exhaust pipes. Here's a luring damsel in a 1958 Chevrolet Impala custom hardtop. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Wowzer! Gorgeous lady here, a 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 convertible. Ooh, here's a gorgeous babe, a 1978 25th Anniversary Edition Chevrolet Corvette T-Top Custom V8. Whoopee! Here's a gorgeous cutie and a 2018 GMC lifted Sierra Denali truck. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.